just gonna
Go! Go!
This is the only one that's moving.
He's gonna make it. This guy's gonna finish last.
Ooh, wow. He's going pretty quick.
Slow down, man.
He's gonna pass him up. Downshift! This guy's way down here.
He's losing.
He looks like he's dead. That's disgusting,
I think
actually.
you killed him.
Yeah, he had like a seizure.
Yeah, look, he shit all over himself.
Yeah.
Now let's just take this.
These guys are,
Oh, look at
these guys are napping.
Oh, don't do. You should throw him in there.
Alright, guys.
We have to clean better. This guy, I don't know what the
They're still
fuck
there.
he's doing. This guy doesn't want to move either.
Did we kill them? Oh.
You want to throw these?
Sure. Where do you want to throw them?
Over there. Let's just throw it really high in the air.
Okay.
I'm going to throw you really high in the air, so this is your last chance to come out. Alright.
Kamikaze.
Boom! He's like watching us kill his brothers.
Gross. Up. He's turning around. I don't know. This guy's just trying to stick on. This guy's turning around.
Weeds. He's super dead. It's a bloody scene over there. Very gory.